So I opened this hive up, and it looks like there's no bees in here. So I'm gonna look around a little bit and see what I can find out. These were bees that we got from down south last spring, from Myron Shore. I'm taking off the sugar brick that we had on top, and now I'm gonna go into the frames, see what we got here. This frame has honey in it. So there's 2 frames of honey in the studs here. Look here in the bottom. I found some dead bees here. So we're none here and there. This one wasn't very strong, and I didn't really expect this one to go through. So I think it is. Still got honey here. They don't have much stores. So here we got some dead bees. Now maybe we can see what happened here. Here you can see the dead bees on the frame. Alright, I'd say what happened here is that they started rearing brood. And then when we had a cold spell, they couldn't reach any honey. And since bees won't leave the brood, I think that they just went and stayed there and starved to death.